Hi guys. So today we will see how we can do Liferay setup in our Windows 11 or Windows 10. The procedure is same. So let's go through that. What we have to do. So before going to the setup, okay. So we have some required software we have to go through. Like which software we have in our system. So required softwares. So first is we need a anyhow Java or we can say JDK that must be 1.8. Okay. And the exact version, which version I'm using in this setup, that is JDK 1.8.0, I think 0311. Okay, this version we will check. Okay. One JDK that must be 1.8. Second, we need to have some database software like MySQL we are using here. So MySQL DB, and that version is 8. MySQL 8 we're using here. And third thing we are using here, we need a software. Okay, like need a portal software or portal server we can say, because we know like if that is a Liferay setup, we need a portal. Okay, Liferay setup. I will tell how you can download, what is the proper link, and which thing we have to download. All the thing I will, that link related thing I will put in our description, and I will show how and where you can download and how you can do setups. Okay, need not to worry about that. So we are using the portal or portlet version. We say portal. Okay, portal version. That is nothing but that is a like server, like how we have tomcat server like that. And one more, moreover, in the portals like server, in the portal rar or portal g, inside that we have the tomcat server inbuilt. Okay, you need not to install server tomcat server separately. So the version is, we are like latest is 7.4 something. So we are not going to use the latest one. We have some required version we are using as of now, 7.3.5.GA6. Okay. So next we need a Eclipse. Okay, because we are going to configure with the Eclipse the server. So Eclipse, we also use a particular version that is 2021 because there is some compatibility issue. I will tell in later videos what is the issue with that, all the things. So we need the Eclipse IDE with we need a plugin called Liferay IDE. Okay, that plugin name is Liferay IDE, and that version is 3.6.0. Okay, so we can download from Eclipse Marketplace. I will show how can you download, and all the things are in this video only we are covering. Okay, so let's start normal setup. Okay, normal setup. Okay, that means we have be ready with all the things, all the server ID, the software, everything will be ready. Then we will go to configuration. The server configuration in Eclipse we will do at the end. So first thing, we will check the JDK. Is the JDK installed or not? Okay, JDK. So go to a command prompt, search Java hyphen version. Okay, see, you can see now there is a version is coming. Okay, so this is a thing. So we have the JDK setup ready. So now second thing, JDK is ready. Go to the second point, MySQL. And moreover, inside MySQL, we are going to create a logical DB that will going to configure, that will going to configure with the server. Okay, that will we are going. Okay, so to create logical DB, go to your MySQL workbench, because this is the graphical user interface or GUI of MySQL. We are not going to write any query. Go to your connection. Okay, so see, there is a plus symbol with a database like that. Now click on that. You can see if you hover on that, you can get to know what is the use of that icon. Create a new schema in the create a new schema in the connected server. Okay, so we are going to give the name some random name, like we are giving training. Okay, training. You can give your own requirement. So the cat set must be UTF-8. This is some strict rule. You have to follow that one. Okay, the rule will not going to question. Okay, and this is the collation. Collation is general CI. UTF-8 general CI. Okay, after this the thing, just click on the apply, finish. Okay, if you go here, if you see, you can see our logical DB. So how we can create the logical DB? Yeah, I take the screenshot. I will write the steps here. Okay, to creating logical DB, first go to Workbench, go to MySQL Workbench, then your connection. Okay, then you have to click here. Okay, this symbol, and then give the name, give the cat set and collection. Then you have to do apply, finish. Okay, clear? Now we are ready with our DB, logical DB. Okay, that is we will going to configure with our server. Okay, so need not to worry about that. Okay, done. So if you not install MySQL, you can go here. I will put this link just to download this one. A Windows MySQL installer, this one. Okay, don't use this one. Okay, let me arrange properly. Okay, so this version we need this one. Anything, any version you can choose, but this is the proper installer. Just to install this one, use some during installation, just make sure choose default thing. Don't choose anything special. Okay, anything your requirement, just choose default. Okay, so yeah, we are ready with our JDK, we are ready with our MySQL, then we are go for the portal software download. Okay, so see, this is the official website, and here we can see this is like 4.7.4. GA20 some is coming, the latest version. So you can download that bundle with tomcat. Okay, seriously, if you want to use 7.4, you just choose here and 7.0 and download it. Okay, so third is Liferay Portal. I will keep the website link there in our description. Okay, so we have to choose this bundle 7zip, just download. Okay, any Windows system, like any Windows and any operating system. Windows, it may be Windows, it may be your Mac, it may be your Linux. The zip file will be there. Okay, so but I say previously we are going to use 7.3.0 7.5 GSX. So to download previous version. So go source here, this website. Okay, source for J. Okay, here just go there, and I will put this link also. You have to download Liferay CE Portal Tomcat 7.5.3 GSX. This 7 GB one only you have to download. Okay, so this section, I will put all the link in description clearly. You need not to worry about that. Okay, we need this section. So we need this version. So for saving you our time, I already download that. Just go to our download. So see, the portal is already we download. Okay. So then we have to do one thing. After the download, we have to start our Eclipse, and we have to download the plugin. Okay. Okay. So before okay, let's start the server. Sorry, let's close it. Let's start the scene. This is our Eclipse we are using. Open the Eclipse. So here we have to choose a particular folder structure. Let me create a folder structure for you. See, there is a Liferay setup now. Inside Liferay setup, I kept my Eclipse. So don't touch this one. So create another new folder. For creating new folder, there is a shortcut key, Control-Shift-N. Type the workspace, like anything you can give workspace. I'm going to open my Eclipse in this section. Okay, in this here. Copy this one, paste here, just click on launch. Okay, maybe it take time, so need not to worry about that. Yeah, open. So after okay, then Eclipse. The step 4. Open your Eclipse in a proper location. Okay, I think you can understand. So after that, we have to download the Liferay IDE. Sorry, Liferay IDE. Okay, so for that, just go to Eclipse Marketplace. Liferay. That's all. Okay, this one. So for to this showing you, I not installed previously. Okay, so it takes some time. Need not to worry. I will manage it. Just click on install. Okay. So here, help. Go to help Eclipse Marketplace. Okay. Search Liferay. Then you will get this one. Click on install. Okay, click on install. See, now just click on confirm. These steps I will not going to write. Okay, you can go get easily. As to the term and condition, just finish. Okay, so see, the installation software is starting here, so it will take some time. So wait for that. Okay, and I will keep all these links, all that I'm using this ID, this ID's link also I will keep in our description. You can happily download from there. Okay. Okay. Meanwhile, just to extract our tomcat. So right click on our zip file, WinRAR, extract the file. So choose your location, D drive. We create a folder now. In that folder, just choose that folder. Just click OK. Okay. So we are ready with our bundle also. Like the tomcat portal server. Okay, portal server. So just rename it to bundle because it sounds good. Okay, you keep this name also the default name, but I generally prefer to change bundle. Okay, so still it is not downloading, so we have to wait for some more time. Logical DB, I would download the portal and extract that one also in particular location in our Eclipse. Okay, so see, now it is giving like some warning. Just click on install anyway. Okay, now just restart your IDE. Yeah. So yeah, it quickly launch. So after installing the Liferay IDE, we have to going to configure the server. So before going to configure the server, just change the perspective. Perspective means the look and feel. Like it should be look like Liferay IDE. So for that, there is a perspective symbol after the search corner. You click on the perspective symbol and click on Liferay Workspace. Click on Open. See, the Liferay section look like this. So here your project will be there, Project Explorer window. This is the server window. Here we can configure server. Here is the console. The log will come here, and the tasks means the project we created here that will be come here, and with coming with the task parallel task we can do deploy, build service, lot of things we can do here. And the when you just to do that build service or build clean all the things, the execution will be displayed in this Gradle executions window. Okay, so just quickly start configure the server. Click on here. So if you scroll down a little bit, you will get to a Liferay INC section. Click on that. Click on Liferay 7. Just next. See, here you have to choose the bundle directory. Browse, go to our Liferay setup. Just choose bundle, then select folder. Okay. You need not to choose nothing more, like more. Okay, just up to bundle, and the tomcat will come here. So here we have to add our JDK8. So just click on install JRE. You can remove this default one. Okay, remove it, add new standard virtual machine. Click on next, choose directory. Okay, so for that, go to our C drive, go to program files, go to Java, choose JDK, this much only, select folder. Okay, so then click on finish, apply and close, next, finish. See, now the server will come here. Okay, so if you double click on that, you will get all the information, overview information. So you can see there is a HTTP port number. So we are mainly we are going to change this one because maybe it is unused. So I give some other port number, like 4545. Okay, so there is some other information also, like timeout. If you want to change. So first time just don't change. Okay, maybe take some time. So you need to change this time. If your server not started like in the required time, just going to change. But change the memory also once. Okay, so save it and start the server. So maybe it will take some time. Just to wait for the time. Okay, if your system configuration is very high, then it will not take that much of time. So let's see, Liferay logo also coming here. So it will taking time. So have some patience for first time. Okay. Finally, we get the server started message here, and here also the server status is started. So go to browser, local host colon profile profile. Okay. So the like portal name, first name, you can, if you want to change the names, you can change the name. So just to give the default mail ID, or you can give a mail ID also. Liferay.com. Just to up the life. This is a default mail ID. You can give this one. Okay. So then change here. See, default database is hypersonic. So we are going to change to MySQL. Just click on change. Okay. So choose MySQL. So some configuration details you have to provide here. JDBC URL. So give work the port number here, like localhost colon 3306. This is a default port number you also can use. And here we are going to give that logical DB name we create previously. So I think training. Let's check it. Yeah, training. Copy. Otherwise, you can copy this. And here give your username. That's the root, and the password also. Sorry. Choose or click on add sample data. Just click on finish configuration. See, so it is configured successfully. Your configuration was saved successfully. Change will take effect once the portal is restarted. Please restart the portal now. So what this meaning? Just go to your server, just restart it. For then directly click on this icon. Okay. First it will going to stop the server, then it will start the server. We can do the DB configuration in two way. So one is the portal.ext properties there. Here you can mention some properties and you can do that, and you can go to browser, you can configure that. So the second approach I will going to explain in another video. It is going to come. Now the server is started successfully, and still like see, if you get this message, don't give the request. Still this is on starting mode. If it is, yeah, now it is started. So just give the request through the browser. Come here, refresh it. See, this is your home screen. Okay, welcome, hello world, all the things. So in another video, I will explain. Okay, let me sign in with this one. So default mail ID is test we are giving. Password is a test. You can click on this button and click on this remember me and sign in. Okay, so just click on yes, I agree terms of yours. So give some like password reminder things like I will give Kumar. Okay, anything. Save it. See, now we are signed in here. This is a test user. Okay, I will explain each and every corner and section of this welcome screen page in a separate video. So that's all for that day. Thank you. Keep subscribe. Keep some love. Stay connected with us.